In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Grammarly from Google Chrome. By the end, Grammarly will be fully uninstalled from your browser, and its suggestions and pop-ups will no longer appear while you type online. Start in Google Chrome, look to the top right corner of the window for the 3 vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu, sometimes labeled as Customize and Control Google Chrome. Click those 3 dots to open the menu. If your window is narrow, the menu might look a bit condensed, but the 3 dots will still be there in the same corner. From that menu, choose Settings. Clicking Settings opens a new tab dedicated to your browser's preferences. This is where Chrome keeps controls for things like privacy, appearance, and your installed add-ons. Give the page a moment to load. You'll see a sidebar or navigation area that groups different sections of settings. Next, go to Extensions. This view lists every extension currently installed in your Chrome profile. Each extension appears as a card with its name, icon, and options. Find the Grammarly extension in this list. If you use multiple profiles in Chrome, make sure you're in the one where Grammarly is installed because extensions are tied to the active profile. On the Grammarly card, click Remove. This option is different from the on-off switch. The switch simply disables an extension, but Remove deletes it from the browser. Choosing Remove ensures Grammarly no longer runs in the background, injects suggestions, or appears beside text fields. Chrome will ask you to confirm. Click Remove again to finalize. Sometimes you'll see an optional checkbox to send a brief report to the Chrome Web Store if the extension caused problems. That's entirely up to you and won't affect the removal. After confirming, the Grammarly extension disappears from the list and its icon will no longer be visible next to the address bar. Any open pages may take a moment to reflect the change, but Chrome applies it right away. That's all you need to do. You've removed Grammarly from Google Chrome and its features are now fully turned off. If you use Chrome Sync with the same profile on other devices, this change may carry over there as well. And if you ever decide you want Grammarly back, you can reinstall it later from the Chrome Web Store. For now, enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free typing experience and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to audit or remove other extensions in the same place.